Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix couldn't open connection to server Gmail error. IMAP to Gmail. What you do is first open up your Gmail and then you come in the top right and click on the gear cog and then click on see all settings. Now let me explain why this error usually happens. It usually happens when you're trying to sync a Gmail with another mail app like Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, or when you're forwarding or importing from another Gmail account. So what you do first is you go ahead and come here in settings, click on forwarding and pop/IMAP, and then what you want to do under IMAP access here, you select this right here, you enable IMAP. At least you have to do that first. You have to configure your email client, make sure you're using the correct configuration, right? So make sure you do that. So come here, click on configuration instructions, and you get your instructions from here. And what you can do is under accounts and imports, okay, you should go ahead and grant access. And right here, when you're granting access, you click on add another account. So if you have one already, remove that and then go ahead and allow it again, okay? And then what you can also do is right here. So you just go ahead and verify yourself while you're doing this. And just, go ahead and use the correct IMAP and SMTP settings. Just double check your server settings in your mail app, the incoming IMAP, the ports, the security, SSL, TLS. Make sure everything is correct. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.